Hi guys, welcome to the Tegiwa YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video, and yeah, so you may have seen that we did a software overview of the Alien Zadrotti pedals that we've recently listed on the Tegiwa website. Well, this time it's going to be unboxing the pedals themselves, and I'm going to show you some adjustment and just what you get with them. So starting from the top, you'll get a control box with a USB connector. You'll get a couple of stickers, because stickers are always good. You'll get a couple of tools, nice 10mm and an Allen key, some spare bolts if need be. Get a lovely box, and then you obviously get, depending on the kit that you order, you'll get your pedals and an optional base plate. So just to be specific, these pedals are my own. So I have these for what I do in sim racing, which is generally a bit of GT and drifting, which is why I have gone for the optional pedal upgrade, which we'll get into in a little bit. So what I want to talk about mainly is adjustment, because a lot of pedals out there are very fixed in what they can do, and it very limits, or it's very limiting to the driver. So what's nice about the Alien Zadrotti pedal set is you can sort of adjust these according to you, according to your rig, according to the cars you're going to be driving. There's a lot of variables in there, and these are nice because they accommodate for that. So we have basically everything here is controlled by either an Allen key, again, which is supplied, or a spanner. Setup is really easy with these. Your control box literally has 3 what look like Ethernet plugs in them. So that will be your clutch, brake and accelerator. And then on that side you'll have what looks to be like an XLR cable. That will go from the female side on here, which will go into the male side USB, which will plug into your computer. After that, it's the drivers will automatically be found, obviously providing you've got the right like net framework packs on your computer. Just preemptively have those ready anyway, but yeah, this will be detected as soon as you plug them in. If we're looking at adjusting these to your setup specifically, we've got a few options here just to tailor them a little bit more to your driving style. Trying to get all my hands on here. These are weighty pedals, like they are very solidly built. I'm not going to worry about damaging them. So if you're looking to make the pedals stiffer, you've got this adjustment here. So the further up that this sits, the more aggressive you're going to need to be with your pedal pushes. Likewise, if you're trying to soften it up, just a case of moving it down to the bottom, and it will be dead easy to push. After that, it's just a case of nipping up any bolts that you've loosened, just quarter turn on them just to be safe, and yeah, you're set. For those of you that have gone for the optional clutch upgrade, you get a little bit more in terms of adjustment. So what makes the upgrade special is that it will give you an artificial biting point, which just makes it feel a little bit more immersive, a little bit more real. But this action here is configurable. So if you're looking to soften it up like I needed to, you would bring this, simply just loosen each of those 10mm here and here, bring it closer, and that will soften the pedal up nice. If you're looking to make the bite a little bit more aggressive, then it's a case of winding it closer to this side here. And yeah, that about wraps it up. Like I said with the software video, these are very, very simple. I know this could probably look a little bit overwhelming because it's a lot of nuts and bolts, but honestly it's not. They're very, very easy to configure if you are looking to tailor it a little bit more to your setup. After doing some miles, virtual miles, driving, you'll have an idea of what you want out of them. And yeah, these adjustments are all you need to get them closer. As a little technical note as well, if you do ever feel like there's some slack in the pedal, which I will simulate here. So if you ever feel like they're softening up a little bit, simply pull the pedal out, and you'll need to just wind the nut back on that, and it'll be stiff again. It happens, stuff loosens. It's not a sign of bad quality, it's just a sign that you can fix them yourself, so there's no need to worry about it. Consequently, also, if you do feel like you need to raise or lower the plates, then it's just a little bolt there, and yeah, you can move the pedal plate up and down just to your choosing. But yeah, honestly, that about wraps it up. There's not really a lot to say with these, but They're an awesome pedal set. I've had mine for a while now, and they're a game changer. Like, they are, especially with the stuff that I do. Having the optional clutch upgrade is really, like, it really gets you involved with whatever you're sim racing. But yeah, so check them out on the website. They're a very affordable option if you are looking to move over from a set of T3 PAs or something like that. So jump on the website, have a look. Also, while you're on the website, we've got Tegiwa merch. Grab it. It's cheap, it's good, it's nice. They're lovely designs done in-house. We've got a few other things coming out soon, haven't we? Yeah, we've got some more stuff coming out soon, and we've got beanies as well, because it's getting cold like it is in here. Like, it's horrible at the moment. I'm freezing. But yeah, get one of them on your head. Thanks for watching.